This video is going to show you how you can rebuild this example, which allows you to capture a selection and compute it as a percent of total. So let's go into a new workbook. We'll start this from scratch. So first thing we want to do is look at the market value by country. So I'll drag in country and then bring market value to color. So now I want a selection on this map to be captured and then used to compute the percent of total. So a set is a way that we can capture a user selection. So let me go and capture a selection of countries here and then go and create a set. So for the moment, this set of teams is hard-coded to that particular selection. So then I can look at the market value as a pie and then split that out between the teams that are in or out of my selection. So let's just label that. So it's 1.9 billion in my selection, which as a percent of total is 20%. And then we'll just add the market value back to the label here. So now I have my two visualizations. And so now I want them to be interactive with one another. So we'll bring in this map and then bring in our proportion of the market value here. And at the moment, this blue slice here is hard-coded to that selection. So what set actions in 2018.3 mean is that you can make new selections and have that update your set as opposed to having them just hard-code the values. So let's go to Dashboard Actions, and we're going to add a set action. So change the set values. The source is the map, so the market value by country. We want to run that on select, and then we're going to target the team set. And so now if we go and make a new selection here, that is going to dynamically update that set. And so that set is not bound to just one sheet. It can be used in many different sheets. So if we want to also look at what did these selected teams represent as a percent of total teams, we can go and use it in a different view. So I'm going to hold down right-click, drag, and drop this to size. So it's prompting the aggregation. So here, if we look at the number of countries as a pie and then bring our teams to color, hold down Control, and that'll let you duplicate this. So then you can see that there's 5 teams selected, which as a percent of total is 15%. And then I'll just hold down Control again to duplicate that label. And so now as we bring this into our view here, I'll just go remove all of these. Now you'll see that both of them are dynamically updating because they're using the same set. So thank you for watching. No calculations, and we can compute a percent of total.